Hello everyone and welcome to our lecture. I am Xian He, Product Manager for DNA Methylation. Today we will delve into an exciting topic, the epigenomic revolution, decoding the symphony of life systems. If single omics data are compared to scattered musical notes, then multi-omics integrative analysis is like a master score for composing the symphony of life. So, why should we conduct integrated epigenomic analysis? First of all, epigenomic analysis enables the closure of evidence loops. Epigenetic modifications play a crucial role in regulating gene expression and protein function. Through multi-omics analysis, we can validate these processes from multiple angles, thereby constructing causal relationships between gene regulation and protein expression. Secondly, it effectively links data together. Single omics data is relatively limited, while multi-omics data at the epigenetic can mutually level corroborate, providing us with a more complete biological picture. When it comes to doing integrated epigenomic analysis, Vazyme is committed to giving you comprehensive support. First, Vazyme offers complete solutions with high performance, stable quality library preparation kits. We also provide full cycle support from pre-experiment design, consultation to anytime assistance during kit usage. Our technical support team is available at all times, ready to assist you whenever needed. Plus, we offer bioinformatics analysis guidance to ensure you can extract the most valuable insights from your data. Up to now, more than 200 research teams have successfully published papers using our kits, which fully proves the excellent quality and efficient performance of our products. That's a wrap for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks so much for your support. Vazyme, as always, strives to deliver high-performance products and dedicated support to continue to drive scientific breakthroughs with you guys together.